We recently launched a new module called Parent-Teacher Conferencing. The teacher would log in, scroll to the bottom of her dashboard, click the plus sign to get started. She has the ability to display which classroom or which venue she would like to meet the parents in. So she could just mention her classroom, potentially classroom 1B. She would select the date she would like to meet the parents on, 15th of August at 2 o'clock, 2:30. Then she enters the number of slots available. So say, for example, she wants to meet every parent in the class and there's 20 parents in the class. So she selects 20. She can then select the interval that she'd like to meet with each parent. So she wants to spend 10 minutes with each parent and she'd like a 5-minute break between each interval. This is an optional field. She can write a note for the parent. She clicks submit. She then has the option to add more dates, email the parents the dates, or return to her dashboard. So there you can see she's added the first, there's the date, the 13th, Thursday the 15th of August. Those are her 20 slots. If a parent does not have the ability to access the internet, the teacher can log in and she can do it herself from her side. She selects the teacher's name and she clicks book slot. The teacher can also add an extra date if she wanted to meet on a different day, and she'd follow the same process again.